Hello, this is LiLi Josephine right here, and I am unboxing a package that is from caninekidneyhealth.com. It is an amazing herbal product that is for dogs in kidney failure. So we are going to open it up. Okay, and this is everything that comes with the up to 20-pound dogs kit. So here you get one plastic syringe. See? Yep, that's yours. Okay. And let me actually, I want to pull this out. This is 5-leaf pet botanicals. So this is the product. It's really wrapped very nice and secure. We have Rena Cleanse. See? Yeah? You like it? Okay, that's one. Pepper Cleanse. Look. You like it? Okay. Blood Cleansing Tonic. You like it? She likes it. Okay. And I have another blood cleansing tonic. Oh, sorry. Okay, you see that? Okay. And a, oops. This is a, oops, tangled in my hair. Oh, knocking things down. This is the dog greens. Yeah? Okay. So, and this book that gives you some more information, but you can also read lots of information online. And I'm going to be starting these today for LiLi Josephine, and she's almost 14 and she is in kidney failure. So we are going to document this healing trip, and hopefully within 3 to 6 weeks we will see some healing. So yeah, I would definitely recommend looking into this company. If you read the reviews, which are all verified legal reviews, the first 2 are from canine units with dogs that had kidney failure that was reversed, and you can spend hours. There are just endless reviews, and they are extremely promising. So this company's been around since 2002 and was developed out of necessity to save her own pet, and then she shared it with others. So we're going to try this and let you know how it goes, because this little girl needs to stay for a while. So LiLi, baby, can you look at the camera? Can you look? Nope, she's not going to do that. So okay, anyway, thank you. Check it out online, caninekidneyhealth.com. If you go here, we'll make it all connected and add a .com. You can look up this wonderful product that we're going to try. All right, y'all. Peace.